Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite cat channel quantifiers. My name is Sahil Arora. Now, today we are going to discuss a very interesting set on LR and fatapat say quickly, like every week I say that if you wish to receive these PDFs in your WhatsApp inbox, fill the form link in the description. आपके डिस्क्रिप्शन में एक फॉर्म है, उसको अगर आप भरेंगे तो ये सारी पीडीएफ्स आपको व्हाट्सएप में आएंगी जब भी बनेंगी। जो आपके नंबर्स हैं हर वीकली अपडेट होते हैं, सो इफ यू आर फिलिंग इट टुडे डोंट एक्सपेक्ट इट टू बी सेंड टू यू टुडे, it will be sent after a few days. Don't worry, you will start receiving the links. What is in the PDF? There is a Facebook group, there's a Telegram group which you must join if you are a serious aspirant. The rest, there is an RC of the day, a good read, right, which you should do in order to improve your verbal, right? These are the things that you should do. Now let's see what the set for today is all about. It says two cops have arrested four suspects in a theft case. The name of these people suspects are Amjad, Amrish, Danny, and Ranjit. These cops know that exactly one of them always speak the truth. Okay. So चार लोग हैं, पुलिस वाले हैं. One of them always speaks the truth. So one is truth, truth, and truth. There are three statements each. So one of them is truth, truth, truth. One of them always lies. So one of them has a nature of always lying. Lie, lie, lie. Two of them are alternators. One of them speak odd number statement true and even number statement lie. So alternate truth teller, truth, lie, truth. And the last one is alternate liar. That is lie, truth, lie. Okay. The cops found a hat at the site. So each one of them was asked about the color of the hat they were wearing. All of the four suspects are cunning. They don't give any direct clues and always divert from the topic. Each of them made three statements. So what have we learned as of now? That there are four people, they have four different type of characteristics. One of them is always a truth teller, one of them is always a liar, one of them is an alternate truth teller, and one of them is an alternate liar. Right. Now we have done this topic, these type of question numerous time in the class. What we have learned, how we should start these sets. We should always try to identify the statement which are clearly a truth and clearly a lie. First of all, go through the all the statements and see which statements you can identify as a truth statement or a lie statement. Then if you are seeing some obvious truth somewhere and you have some direct statements, assume that person to be a truth teller. What do I mean by that? Let us see. The one wears a blue hat is a truth teller. I cannot see if it is a truth statement or a lie statement. I wear a green hat, Danny is a liar. So I don't know that if any of these statement is a definite truth or a definite lie. That let's leave it. The one who wears red hat is a liar. I wear a yellow hat. So these two statements can be anything. The last statement spoken by only one of us is a truth. No, this is definitely a lie. This is definitely a lie. Why? Because I know the nature of the people. Truth, truth, truth. Lie, 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 truth, lie, truth, lie, truth. So last statement spoken by two of them must be truth, by two of them must be lie. So this is definitely a lie because he is saying that only one of us is truth. So this is definitely a lie. Okay. Now similarly, Danny. The one who wears a green hat is an alternate truth teller. Again, I cannot comment anything. I wear a red hat. I cannot comment anything. The last statement spoken by two of us is a truth. Now, this is definitely a truth statement. This is definitely a truth statement, right? A very good pointer. Ranjit, the one who wears a yellow hat is an alternate liar. I cannot say. The one I wear a blue hat, I cannot say. The third statement spoken by me is a truth. Now it can be a truth or a lie. I cannot say anything, right? Now, out of all the statements, the 12 statements that I read, I'm sure about two statements only, that one is lie and one is truth. What is the methodology to solve these type of questions? I have to assume any one of them to be the truth teller, and then I have to read their three statements. I will assume them to be completely true, and I will check the characteristics of other people with respect to that, if they are consistent or not. Now, if I ask a layman that which person should I consider as a truth teller here, किसको मानूं? तो यार क्योंकि because I know that Danny has made one statement definitely true, so it is a safe bet to assume him to be a truth teller. First of all, let us say Danny is a truth teller, which means all the statement told by Danny are a truth, 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 and truth. Now, I will see that which person is commenting upon green hat alternate liar, which person is commenting about red hat, which person is commenting about Denny, and whether their statements are truth or a lie in order to identify. Right. Now see, so okay, this person says that I wear a red hat and he is a truth teller. So the people are Amjad, people are Amrish, people are Denny and Ranjit. So we are assuming that he is a truth teller and he is wearing a red hat, right? This is what my assumption is. Right now, I will use the word assumption. Now, Amrish says the one who wears a red hat is a liar. But I am assuming that the person saying red hat is a truth teller, which means that this statement is a lie. This statement is a lie. I wear a yellow hat. I cannot comment upon this right now. Let's move forward and see. Okay. Can I has anyone other and else commented about red hat or Danny or okay? This person has said that Danny is a liar. This person has said that Danny is a liar. So Danny is a liar. Now, but Danny is a truth teller. So this is again a lie, right? Now I definitely know that there are two people whose statement end will end up with lies, right? So these two people are definitely these. This is a lie. This is a lie, according to my assumption. And there are two people who are definitely ending up with a true statement. One is Denny, and other one then must be Ranjit. Then this statement must be true, right? So this is a truth, and this is a truth teller, which means he must be the alternate truth teller. क्योंकि दो truth teller तो नहीं हो सकते ना. I cannot have two truth tellers, so I will have this as alternate truth teller. So truth, lie, and truth. Truth, lie, and truth. The one who wears a yellow hat. Okay. Now he's saying the one who wears a yellow hat is an alternate liar. So yellow hat is an alternate liar, and this is a true statement. The one who wears a green hat is an alternate truth teller. This is also a true statement. Okay. So the one who wears the green hat is an alternate truth teller. Since I am assuming him to be an alternate truth teller, so he is wearing a green, right? Also, I wear a blue hat is a lie, so he is not wearing a blue hat. So this is definitely a lie. Now I definitely know about two things, that Amjad and Amrish. I know that one of them is a liar, one of them is the uh, alternate liar, and all of this can be wrong also. Remember this. ये सारा system गलत भी हो सकता है मेरा. But let's find out. The person who wears a blue hat is a truth teller. This statement is a lie, right? Because the truth teller is a red hat. So this is again a liar, right? So this is a lie. I wear a green hat. This is also a lie because green hat is with Ranjit, which means according to me, this is a liar. According to me, this is a liar. So this should be the alternate liar. Now let us see that if the second statement is true or not. If I say that Amrish is wearing a yellow hat and he is an alternate liar, I knew a statement about alternate. The one who wears a yellow hat is an alternate liar, and this is a true statement, which means my data is validated. This person is an alternate liar. He is wearing a yellow, therefore he is wearing a blue, and he is a liar. He is a liar. He is an alternate truth teller. This finishes my set. Again, how did I start? I started with assuming Denny to be the truth teller. I saw that what statements are made by Denny. I assumed every single one of them to be true. Once I have assumed them to be true, I will check if my system is consistent with them or not. मुझे वो check करना पड़ेगा. And how did I check that? I checked that the who has commented upon see, he has commented upon Denny. So Denny is a liar. This is definitely a lie. Thus last, this is definitely a lie. So if these two last statements are a lie, then this last statement should be a truth. Since this is a truth teller, this must be the alternate truth teller. So truth, lie, truth, right? Truth, truth, truth. Now this first statement was a lie. The one who wears a blue hat is a truth teller. I know that Danny wears a red hat, so this was again a lie. The only confusion was about the second statements. But since Ranjit is saying that the one who wears a yellow hat is an alternate liar, therefore this is a true statement, and he is an alternate liar. Therefore, this is a complete liar. Now let us move to the question. Which color hat is worn by the person who always speaks the truth? Who always tells the truth? Always tells the truth is Denny, right? And he's wearing a red. So the answer to the first question is red. Okay. Which two people which two people spoke truth in at least two of the three statements? At least two. So I know that Danny and Ranjit are saying at least two true. Danny is saying three true. Ranjit is saying two true. So this satisfies. Which of the what is the color of the hat worn by Ranjit? Ranjit is wearing green color. So this completes my set. Right. I hope you enjoyed the explanation. Some people find this topic fairly complex because they lack the basics, but I hope you enjoyed it. We have done this in the class and we will revise it again soon. If you have any confusion about anything, please, you can always feel free to text me or talk to me. You can always reach out to me in order to join for the new batch. This is the thing. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.